Okay, so I'm gonna briefly discuss threat hunting in the cloud environment. Okay, so let's begin. So what is cloud threat hunting? So basically, it's a proactive process of identifying cloud threats before they evolve into security breaches. So the difference between proactive and reactive is that rather than waiting for some tool like SIM to send alerts, right, and then action is taking. In this case, this is again a proactive approach where the threat hunters assume a breach has already occurred, and then seeking out anomalies, unusual login patterns, suspicious data transfer. It's a human-led process of identifying and neutralizing the malicious activities. So the analyst hunts for like these stealth threats and which may have bypassed the security controls or disabled the security controls, right? Like such as EDR or malware protection. And the way to look for these threats is by looking at the log, API calls, and network traffic. So key areas of focus for cloud threat hunting is identity and access management. So could be unauthorized permission changes or usage of overprivileged credential. Next is API and control plane activity. So unusual API calls. These could be like creating a user or deleting a log group. Storage and data buckets. So any misconfiguration in the buckets or any unexpected data transfer or unauthorized access to, like, for example, sensitive information. Next is like infrastructure anomalies. So these could be like unexpected traffic connections or container escape attempts. Okay. So these are like so the analysts they come up with these theories, right? Because since no alert has been generated and this is a proactive approach, so the threat hunters they come up with these theories. So and some of those common ones will be like looking for misconfiguration, right? And could be like credential theft, lateral movement, malicious activity, and stolen API keys and tokens, and shadow IT misconfiguration. So these could be some of the scenarios that can be used for threat hunting. Okay, so the tools that can be used, right? So first would be to utilize the cloud service providers native tools, right? And check for logs. So these are just a few examples. There are many more tools available. So AWS CloudTrail is one. Azure Monitor is another one, and for Google is Google Cloud Logging, right? And then also utilize same platform. So like the Sentinel, Microsoft Sentinel, or Google Security Operation, or any third-party SIM like Splunk or Q or Radar and all those, right? And also cloud native application protection platforms. So like the CNAPP or cloud security posture management can also be used for threat hunting. And also behavior analysis. So using machine learning and so creating a baseline and then identifying any deviation from those baselines. Yeah, so this is just a quick brief summary and introduction on threat hunting in the cloud environment.